Lions are called king of the jungle because of their raw power and strength. Lions fear no other animals. Lions are the second largest big cat species in the world, behind tigers. Lions live in the grassland, scrub, and open woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa. African lions are the most social of all big cats and live together in groups or prides. Although extremely large prides consisting of up to 30 individuals. The average male lion weighs around 180 kg, while the average female lion weighs 130 kg. The heaviest lion on record weighed an amazing 375 kg. Male lions are easy to recognize thanks to their distinctive manes. Males with darker manes are more likely to attract female lions. Manes protect them from scratches when they are fighting. Lionesses seem to prefer lions with fuller, darker manes, which surround the face and may go down the back occasionally. A lion has many physical characteristics that make it a superb hunter. The vision of a lion, for example, is roughly 6 times more sensitive to light than a human's. This gives lions a distinct advantage when hunting at night. A lion's claws are retractable, allowing for the excellent control when it needs to go in for a kill. Lions have 30 strong, sharp teeth, enabling them to kill and eat their prey. Molars help them rip food apart. Canine teeth help them kill their prey, and their incisors are used for biting. Lions are very social compared to other cat species, often living in prides that feature females, offspring, and few adult males. When young males reach maturity, older males will kick them out of the pride. When they wander on their own, young lions are known as nomads. If they manage to survive and gain strength, they will battle with other lions to take over a pride for themselves. When new lion take over a pride, it kills all cubs that are not his own. In the wild, third-fourth of cubs die at a young age. Lions live up to 15 years in the wild while they can survive 25 to 30 years in captivity. Number of lions decreased drastically in the past couple of decades. They are one of the well-known endangered animal species. When lion and lioness meet, they greet each other by rubbing. During this process, they exchange scents. Lions mate every 2 years, and lioness will give birth to 1 to 3 cubs each 2 years. Cubs have spots at birth, but they disappear in time. Lion babies have two other names, whelps and lionettes. When lion and tiger mate, new type of animal named liger is created. Liger has stripes like tiger, but the color of its fur is pale compared to tiger's fur. Lions have a double layer of fur that provides protection from weather. Lions have strong leg muscles for running and pouncing, sharp claws to hold prey, and super sharp teeth to cut meat. It's the lioness that mainly do the hunting. They usually hunt in teams at night because their great night vision helps them spot prey easily in the dark. Lions are carnivores and they hunt mostly antelopes, zebras, and wild beasts. During one meal, lions can eat up to 40 pounds of meat. After they fill their bellies, lions will snooze more than 20 hours. Lions can go up to 4 days without drinking water, but they need to eat every day. Only 20,000 wild lions remains in Africa, which is half of what it was only 30 years ago. Some scientists predict that wild lions could face extinction by the year 2050 if trends continue and humans don't increase their efforts to protect these amazing powerful animals.